2025 has been an extraordinary year for the Lupus Research Alliance and the lupus community. It truly takes every one of us, every researcher we enable, every partner we support, every donor we engage, and importantly, every person with lupus we serve, to bring better diagnostics and curative treatments to our community. Together, we continue to advance innovative research to achieve our vision of one day freeing the world of lupus. I wanted to highlight a few high-profile accomplishments in the past year. We have a better understanding of how lupus and the gut interact to drive disease, with a groundbreaking paper published by Dr. Martin Kriegel from research funded by the LRA. We were thrilled to recognize Dr. Deepak Rao from Harvard as LRA's prestigious Lupus Insight Prize awardee for his discovery of an imbalance in key immune cells, which may lead to a potential new treatment target for lupus. We invested in 11 brilliant scientists to explore the emerging field of engineered cell therapies that holds great promise for unlocking a potential cure for lupus. And we witnessed the continued maturation of the Lupus Nexus, LRA's state-of-the-art lupus registry, biorepository, and information exchange platform to facilitate lupus drug discovery. And perhaps most importantly, ushering in a new treatment approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration to treat lupus nephritis, which is the third approved therapy since 2020 for the severe form of lupus. However, we all know how formidable lupus is. And while the LRA has accomplished much this year, we were fortunate to team up with incredible collaborators to compound our impact.
I'm Dr. Stacy Bell, and I'm fortunate to serve as the Chief Clinical Research Officer at the Lupus Research Alliance, overseeing our clinical affiliate, Lupus Therapeutics. We bolster the research continuum, funded and supported by the Lupus Research Alliance, taking it into the clinic and all the way through to those living with lupus and most impacted by the disease. It is a time like no other for clinical trials within lupus. We've been able to advance the science, advance the clinical research, really bring things to the next stage, and really looking beyond to all that can be accomplished into the future.
We launched the Lupus Therapeutics Ideal Initiative, the first of its kind clinical trial focused on diet and lupus. We're excited about the prospects of this work under the leadership of Dr. Monica Guma and colleagues from the University of California, San Diego. We were pleased to partner again with Breakthrough T1D and the National Multiple Sclerosis Society to enable research to evaluate common mechanisms of disease between lupus, type 1 diabetes, and multiple sclerosis. We continue to foster and advance the Lupus Accelerating Breakthroughs Consortium, the only lupus-focused public-private partnership with the Food and Drug Administration that elevates the patient voice as an equal partner in addressing barriers impeding the drug development process.
Lupus ABC is able to achieve progress in these areas through its convening power, the ability to bring together the community, through the ability to receive real-time feedback from the regulators, and through the ability to share data in real time, including unpublished data.
And in times of uncertainty, we came together to advocate for lupus research funding in Washington, D.C. for the Department of Defense's Lupus Research Program, the only program dedicated specifically to funding lupus research. 2025 is proof that progress is possible. Thank you for sharing your time, treasure, and voices so that together we can one day achieve what we all want, a world free of lupus. Let's keep up the momentum and remain relentless in our pursuit.